With 25 years of experience in maritime transport, we are the leading shipping group in Spain. We link regions and are committed to local development. Our activity is focused on the transport of passengers, vehicles, and goods. We offer our customers comfort and punctuality. Our goods transport service is comprehensive and reliable. We have a large fleet of ferries and fast ferries that we combine according to the needs of the routes. Part of our fleet has dual gas engines, allowing us to reduce our carbon footprint. This is a strategic investment, so we can sail into the future with CO2-neutral renewable energies. We have also started to incorporate electric-powered ships on our path towards decarbonization. Technological innovation is at the heart of our strategy. That is why we have a control tower to monitor fleet data in real time and improve operational and environmental efficiency. We also use digitalization to offer our passengers the best possible travel experience, and we facilitate logistics operations for our cargo customers. Our activity is strategically important for economic growth and social development. We are a global company, but rooted in our regions. A company with values, responsible, sustainable, and civic-minded.